All right, so it's been about 15-20 minutes and the remainder of this hot process soap is bubbling up. So if you can see through the lid here, it's bubbling up and it's continuing the cook. This means that when we're done with this soap, all of the lye and water solution will have saponified or changed the oils that were in here into soap. So I'm gonna take the lid off. Boom. Here it is all bubbled over. It's a good time to give this remaining soap a good mix. And so from years of soap making, I can look at this and see that it is, it's on the right track. It's getting pretty close to being saponified. It's got that Vaseline petroleum jelly type of texture. So I can tell that it's getting cooked. I don't want to overcook this, so I'm going to quickly test and see if the pH is neutral.